What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's officially day 3 of the rebuild of the 1400, and my brother yesterday, he gave me a task to take out the interior, and as you guys see on the next episode, I wasn't feeling too well yesterday, but after the camera died, we took out the engine. We took out the engine from the bakkie, and the gearbox also came out, and we have a video of us taking it out, or my brother taking it out. But yes, after the camera died, we took out the engine. It was a bit of a struggle, but we got it finally. So today I'm taking out the interior, the seats, the center console, and then when my brother comes later, we'll take out the dash. So it looks really simple to take out everything, so I hope I can do it by myself. So let's see, guys.
I interrupt the video just to ask you guys, like, comment, subscribe. It's not going to take you anything, but it means the world to me. I am pushing for the 1,000 subscriber mark. We are roughly about halfway there. So please, guys, if you don't mind, drop a like, comment, subscribe, share, send a nudie pic, whatever the case might be, whatever tickles your fancy. Yeah, but thanks, guys. If you guys want to make any suggestions to the build, please don't hesitate. Let me know. I am happy to see if I would like or proceed with that. If you've got a suggestion that I might need to do, please don't hesitate to contact me, drop me a comment down below. If you have any suggestions on what you want me to do with the bakkie, if there's something that you'd like me to do, please let me know in the description box or comment box. Or I'm normally on this side and I'm never on that side, so I don't know, just do the thing with the thing, and the thing is mildly appreciated. Thanks, guys. Cheers.
Okay, guys, so I got the seats out of the bakkie, and next I'm taking out the steering wheel and the center console. So let's get at it. So I got out the seats of the bakkie. As you saw, I took out the steering wheel and took out the center console and so on. Here's everything. Everything is here. The passenger side, the driver's side with all its shebangs. So I'm almost done. Need to take out the door carton still, and then all that's left is I need to take out the liners, and then me and my brother tonight's gonna take out the dash. So yeah, I'm almost done. So let's jump back into it, and tonight we're done taking out the interior. Let's go. Oh, damn it. Ja.
Ik heb nog een kak ingevraagd.
Nee, ja. Ik weet je wil het eigenlijk. Maar wou net daar met jou.
Pluk zo'n fruk. Wat record jy hierso bro? Die camera kyk vir die deur hou.
Ek weet nie, ek weet net daai. Ek was besig dat jy nou hier.
Wow, okay. Hier was 'n sigaret agter die ding gewees. Hy plak op die ding vas. Kak funny.
You got a visitor?
What's up? I just got back from work. Let me show the app how shit's done. Hou vas wag vir die uithaal bro.
Ek het niks uitgehaal nie, dit kon lyk.
Okay, vat hom. Okay.
En nou?
Ja, nou begin ek dit meer en meer verstaan hoe die kar werk.
Ja. Hier is die boot. So, ek het jou.
Fuck it, ou. Kar is eintlik nog fucking mooi.
Kan ek hom hier uitskroef nie?
Nee, hy is vasgemaak met something or other law.
Okay. Die ding.
Hou vas daar rond, hou vas daar met jou hand. Styf vas.
So. Nou kan ek jou by jou bakkie gaan sit.
So guys, we are officially back, and the one day I was sitting at work and Rocker gave me a call and he's like, hey listen, can I continue stripping the bakkie? And I'm like, yo sure, what are you going to do? He says no, he's going to strip out the interior. Little to my expectations, or let me rather put it like this, I had very low expectations for what he's going to accomplish in this scenario. And when I got home that afternoon, everything was out of the car except for the dash and the pedals and the front carpet. I think that's about it. So he stripped out everything, as you guys can see, with me coming home and Rocket taking apart the interior. This is everything that he accomplished. So, as you can see, like all the carpets, all the seats, all of two of them have been taken out. I'm only left with the front carpet that's there, the dashboard, the windscreen has been removed, as you can see it's right over there. So yeah, that's the current situation we're in. The engine bay is completely torn down. There's no engine, no gearbox, no prop shaft, all that types of stuff is there. There's the gearbox, here's the engine. Yeah, and the camera died when we were busy taking out the engine, and Rocker had the bad stomach situation, so he bolted as soon as the engine was out. The camera did die, but regardless, I'm going to jump back into it. Going to take out the dash, and then as soon as I'm done with the dash, I'm going to take out the carpet. And with taking out the dash, there's a lot of stuff underneath the dash that I need to take care of. So I'm going to jump into getting that done and getting that sorted and progressing from there on forward. So the next thing I'm going to do is, like I said, the dash, and I'm going to try to take out this rear glass. So as soon as I've got that out, I can remove the headliner. I've got a plan, I've got a vision, I've got everything up in here. You guys must just be patient. I am going to pop a few ideas during the course of the video, maybe in the next one. So just stay tuned, because I've got a few ideas I want to do, and I just want to know what you guys think. And before anyone says I must do the GTR front grille and bonnet and stuff like that, I don't have the type of coins laying around just to buy I think it's a 35,000 Rand fiberglass kit. So I'd rather just stick with stuff that I can get that's not too expensive, that is easily replaceable. So yeah, let me jump into that, get that started, get the ball rolling, and yeah, take it from there. So I'll pick you guys up shortly. Shit. Okay guys, so it's been about 2.5 hours since both cameras died, like my actual camera and my phone. And my phone is currently like on 5%. I did charge it quickly, but regardless, I accomplished something I've never thought I would do in my life. Is I actually ripped out the whole dash, so that's out. Wiring harness, that's out. The whole chassis harness except from here on back. There's the lights for the wiring for the 2 tail lights and the fuel signal, and I think that's it. But anyways, that's out, that's been sorted. I have been working for about 2.5, maybe 3 hours non-stop, trying to get as much sorted as I could. The dash is out. That was quite a challenge to do. The ECU, all that's out. Everything from the left doors out, the window, the carpets, the floor mats, that's out. The only part of the floor mat that's still there is a part from the seats forwards. That's the only thing that's left, and the heater box. As soon as that's out, the car's completely stripped. But those screws at the foot pedal is quite seized up or stripped, or I don't know what's the situation there, but I'm going to make a plan to get that sorted. So currently the engine bay looks quite nice, and I still want to take that out. I want to take all of these wires and everything out and see if I can't make a plan to route it differently. Speedo cable must come out, all these water lines must come out, brake lines. I want to get rid of that fucking thing because that's absolute piece of bullshit. Then I'll take that out, get rid of the bent steering arm. See if I can't maybe get away with new lines, because these ones are pretty stuffed. So I'm going to have to get new lines for that. I'm going to route them differently as well this time around. Wiper motor, also want to get a nice cover, or maybe make a panel that closes off this whole section here just for that, with a plug sticking out. It is removable, so you don't get yourself into a pickle where you can't replace that. So that's happening. I'm going to move that vacuum distribution block to somewhere where it's a little bit unseen, a little bit more hidden, if that's a word. So yeah, that's currently where we are right now. So the car's completely stripped, front window, rear window, side window, everything on that side stripped. Just need to get to that door still. I also want to take out the cross member, so it's going to be like a full bare shell rebuild. I don't want to say restoration, because that's not what it's going to be. What it's going to end up being is a complete, utter rebuild. And I remember I made this statement, just putting it out there: if the sale doesn't go through, I'm going to spend the time and effort to get this Speed and Sound cover boy. I'm going to put the work in and spend the finances to make this car to hit the cover of the Speed and Sound magazine. And now this is me actually executing it, because I know I sold the bakkie and I got it back, and the whole story and the whole back and forth, but still we are making progress. So yeah, I am at this point. There's a lot of things that I just ripped out that I don't know how or what or where it goes, but it's been stuffed anyway, so I might as well take it out and rebuild the whole thing from scratch. I am going to reuse a bunch of the plugs and get enough pigtails and crimps, and if I can, I might even go with my own connectors and own plugs, which I might end up doing anyways. So I'm going to do like a whole complete chassis harness. I might as well take out the stuff at the back. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the roof liner is also out completely. So there's no roof liner. That is there underneath that pile of interior stuff. I still need to jump onto this door, but now it's not going to be nearly as long as that one, because this one has been taken apart a few times. So yeah, progress is being made. It is getting there slowly but surely. The teardown is supposed to be the quicker part of the job, but it seems to me like it's been taking quite a while. But we are getting there, slowly but surely. Thank you very much, guys, and then I will see you in the next one.